That's the kid. My the guy sitting behind is my landlord, and the guy riding is one of my floor mates, and we are going to have the last supper together. Supper. But it was kind of a suffering in Lucknow, just joking. Not that much fun this time, but still, yeah. And that's pretty much it. You should always actually go to the places you recommend. And look, this will be probably my last meal in Lucknow, and here I am, and look at the crowd. I never came at the same time. I never knew that this much crowd comes to eat. But it's so fulfilling and it's so cheap. Why not? Thank you so much for the food. Thank you so much for the stay. शिव शर्मा गया अंग्रेजी बोलते हुए देखते हुए भैया को. So 60 kilometers and I'll reach Unnao. Leaving Lucknow. Now I have been like in and out of cities so frequently that the feeling is really like familiar now. By my guess, you see, because anything can change anytime, it says 1 hour 30 minutes, but then I'll drive slow, I'll stop at some places if I want to, because that's the whole point. Like, just stop wherever you wish to, just do whatever you wish. That's the whole thing about a motorcycle. So yes, I'll do that, and I'll stay in Unnao. Unnao is gonna be like a very different place because it's not at all touristic. And if you search Unnao on YouTube, all you find is about rape or somebody being dragged and harassed physically, something like that. So I am not sure how the Unnao thing will be. Then let's see. There are always these boards which says thanks for visiting. Yeah, thanks for having me. That's where I camped last night. These are my neighbors. He has like a tribal medicine shop. Super cool, man. It's super cool. And that's his family. There is like a young boy who was being a total bitch last night. He didn't wanted me to camp, but then he went from bitch to sweetheart. That's the kid, and that's Bhaiya and his wife. Look at this. Broke my chain. You see, 1 in a million times this happens. Like, if you break your bike chain, that's something which doesn't happen every day. It's really uncommon. And here I am in Unnao. First day of the ride. I have to go like till down south. Well, that's just a plan. All I know, where I have to go next is Kanpur, and then next is Khajuraho. That's certain, and that's the most certain I can be about something. The plan is ultimate to go down south, but well, let's get this fixed first today. कितने साल के हो ये बताओ? उम्र कितनी है? और तुम कितने साल के हो? 14 और 10 भाई हो दोनों? We are about to eat food with my mechanic friend. He's a bit camera shy, and with the gypsy sex doctor and the cute daughter.
So, last day at this site. I'll be leaving now, like packing everything, and then heading towards Kanpur. And then I don't know, if I wouldn't get the vibe, I'll ride to Khajuraho today itself. The tent is all wet. It's as wet as the bike is. Like if you leave your stuff out, then that's what happens. That's what will happen if you sleep without a tent. You'll get like super wet. I've tried it. Not the best thing. Good morning, Bhaiya. Always blessed with a tea from my neighbors. Kids have beautiful eyes.
There was my tent, and that's the shop. I've packed, super confused where to go next. That's what happens if you don't plan at all. If you don't plan at all, then that's what's happened. Actually, finally I have a plan to ride to Khajuraho, and my friend who owns this shop is not here, so I think I have to leave without saying a goodbye. I'm pretty good at that, or like now I've learned it, still not really good at it. It's just that I'm familiar. Good will not be the right word. The better word will be familiar. I'm really familiar with leaving without goodbyes, because you see, it's fine, like if you don't say goodbye, then it means that there is a hope that you meet again soon, because the bye is pending. So everything is packed, my friends, and yeah, I think I'll leave now to Khajuraho. That rhymes. धन्यवाद भैया, आपका पड़ोसी बनकर बड़ा मज़ा आया. ठीक है, हम खजुराहो निकलते हैं. कभी हम लोग मिलेंगे फिर से ज़रूर. दीदी को भी बोल दीजिए. बाय भैया. So I'll be riding to Khajuraho now. That's what I think. Let me set the location to Khajuraho, and it will take the whole fucking day. Like it's 236 kilometers from now, and I'll take at least 20 stops doing it, because I ride slow, easy, because for me that's the whole point of it. It was super fun with this guy, super cool dude. He was like a gypsy sex doctor. And yeah, I think I should ride now. More riding, less talking. बस. अब ना ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि हम भी हैं इस तरफ, ठीक है? ये तो मिस्त्री लेफ्ट ले लीजिए. हाँ, just 100 more kilometers to go, and then I will reach Khajuraho. I need to take a break and also need a tea. Yeah, that's it. Damn, look at the dust. Like my face already has like a super thick layer of dust. And this looks like fog. It's like really, I can taste this dust in my mouth while I'm speaking. Kind of 100 kilometers to go now. I think I even said that the last time, but this time it's like for sure 100. I really like to ride on the roads where like trees have tunneled the road and it feels like you're riding under them. It looks really beautiful, like really dramatic. I've had like a 5-liter LPG cylinder, but I would like to know like the smallest one. It's like the one, how much that would cost. छोटू, ये जो सबसे छोटा वाला है कितने लीटर का है? 2.5 का. कितने का है? 380 रुपये का है. अच्छा, और 5 लीटर वाला 520 रुपये का. चलो. और वो केरोसिन वाला स्टोव, केरोसिन वाला, अच्छा भरा हुआ है? खाली आएगा. भरेगा कहाँ? हाँ, कितने लीटर है? अच्छा अच्छा, चलो ठीक है. So it is really cheap actually, like 350 for the smallest one, 80 rupees liter LPG. It's a lot cheaper than what these camper guys carry, like the methane or some gas. I don't remember exactly the name, but the cans are expensive. Expensive, like they're expensive compared to this solution. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Okay, yeah, I'm about to reach, and I don't know, like it feels it's so like it's a more I don't have like appropriate words to express my feeling, but yes, I'm about to reach. It's taking a bit longer than I expected, but come on, like I have a slow baby, so no worries. On the board it says 47 kilometer. In my phone it says 61. I don't know which one to believe, but it's like quite near now. Nagaon, Sagar, Chhatarpur, Khajuraho. Oh, okay. Welcome to Integrated MP Border Checkpost. आपका MP में स्वागत है. Okay, it's like after 1.5 kilometers, and look at the sun. It looks like a ball. He got really happy while seeing me. Such a sweet smile. I love when kids see me and get happy. I feel like at least I'm doing something, like my presence is being enjoyed by somebody. It's even hard to maintain like 20 kilometers per hour on this road because it's totally fogged. Like this is the best patch, okay? And the other routes, like there were 2 other options which I could have chosen. The map was saying like 26 minutes slow, 17 minutes slow, and this was the fastest route. And the fastest route is where doing 20-25 kilometers per hour is tough. Sometimes the Google map, this bitch I think I'm already in Khajuraho and I've busted my wheel bearings. दादा पीछे अगर चक्के में पिछले चक्के में दोनों व्हील बेरिंग डलवाने हो व्हील बेरिंग तो कितने के पड़ेंगे बेरिंग?
भैया पहिए का बेरिंग डलवाने के चेस्ट को बेरिंग डलवाना जैसे पहिए लगा
नहीं पहिए का
160 रुपए के दोनों बेरिंग
दोनों और लगवाई
वो उसी में हो जाता है 10-20 रुपए मान लो जैसे मान के चलो नहीं तो जैसे दुकानदार से डलवा तुम तो बोल देगा 80 रुपए की भैया बेरिंग डाल दो तो जैसे 150 रुपये होगा बेरिंग के 10-20 रुपये पड़ने मन क्या तो और दे
अच्छा यहाँ नहीं डलती है
अपने पास बेरिंग है नहीं है बस जब डाल दो अपन क्या साइड में वो 55 वगैरह या आयल वगैरह ऊपर का कम कर देते हैं।
अच्छा चलिए फिर हम लेके आते हैं कल।
हाँ ले आना उन्हें तो भैया ये टीवीएस एजेंसी दिखा रही सामने ये
हाँ
दिखा रही है यहाँ ये मतलब बल्ब
ये तो बजाज की है ना सिटी
आई नो बट क्या यहाँ पे टीवीएस एजेंसी है इसके बाद दुकान खुली 3-4 मोटर पार्ट्स की तो यहाँ पे कोई भी दुकान पे बोल रहे हैं डाल देगा।
अब तो कल ही आएंगे
और देखो 2 किलोमीटर सीधे स्टेट में है तहसील मिली थी आपको?
हाँ
तहसील में गेट लगा था।
नहीं अभी एक्चुअली तंबू वंबू भी लगाना है ना सोने के लिए तो कल आते हैं शाम को।
हाँ नहीं मतलब बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे 2 किलोमीटर पे दीपक एजेंसी है बजाज की इसी की एजेंसी है।
अच्छा
तो आपको ओरिजिनल बेरिंग मिल जाएगी बजाज की।
ठीक है
यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर सामने जाना तहसील मिली थी आपको तहसील
हाँ
इस हाथ में देखना आप दीपक एजेंसी लिखा होगा बजाज की गाड़ी रखी होंगी काफी वहाँ पे
ठीक है
चल रही है अभी काफी यहाँ पे है वहाँ पे ओरिजिनल बेरिंग मिल जाएगी।
ठीक है दादा
ज्यादा कोई दिक्कत हो कुछ दिन वहाँ शमसुद्दीन दुकान खुले साइकिल की।
हाँ आते हैं एक बार कल आते हैं आपके पास। चलिए भैया धन्यवाद गुड नाइट। The night will only be good if I find the spot to camp. Well, I've already been to Khajuraho. I know where to camp and stuff. Nothing to worry. So yeah. So I'm finally in Khajuraho. That's this hostel. Well, now it's not this hostel. It's like some headquarters. Khajuraho, one of the best place to stay. Really cool guys here, and the best place to eat is the one which I discovered last time. I hope it's still in business because of COVID. I think a lot of places are out of business. A lot of shops are closed. I can already figure that out. But it was like quite a big place. It's just like there. Oh, fucking cold. I need my jacket. Yeah. So that was the place. Last time I was here, it was really funny. Look at my fucking face. I have like dust all over. I'll clean it. I'll get food. That's how reality looks in a bike ride. If you have made till this part of the video, till the end, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe. Do hit the bell icon. Do the thing so the algorithm starts to work. And I'll update about Khajuraho in the next one. I'm already editing those videos. Also, I'm setting up my Patreon account. So if you want to donate and you want to contribute, then please check the description box and become a Patreon and support my trip. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.